kids, I hope you all are good. So I am back and today back with a new topic, water. In the last chapter you have learned the importance of food, sources of food and different kinds of food. And now we will learn the importance of water. You know, as food is so important for us to live, in the same way water is also very important for us to live.
So, kids, let us know more about water and its importance. Just like food and air, we also need water to live. All the human beings, plants, and animals, we all need water to survive. Water is our basic need. We cannot live without water. We need water for different purposes in our day-to-day life.
Water is very essential for us. We cannot live without water. There are different uses of water.
Now, kids, human beings like you and me, we need water for different purposes. We need water for drinking, bathing, washing clothes, cooking, watering plants, cleaning our homes, and putting out fires. Now, just like us, water is also very important for animals. They use it for various purposes. Like whenever they feel thirsty, they use it for drinking, bathing, and some of the animals live in the water as it keeps their body clean and cool. Now plants also need water. They need water to grow. Okay? Plants also need water to live, just like us human beings and animals.
Okay, now the question comes, water comes from, can you think? From where do we get the water? We get water from different sources such as rainfall, lake, ponds, stream, waterfall.
So, kids, water is obtained from different sources. Rain is the main source of fresh water. It fills rivers, lakes, and ponds. So, we get water from ponds, lakes, small streams, big rivers, and waterfall. Now, do you know water is sent to the big tanks from these sources, and it comes in our home with the help of pipes and taps. So, we get water in our home through taps, well, hand pumps, and tube wells. It's really important to store our water. We usually store water in different vessels such as drums, water tanks, and buckets.
Now I will tell you the properties of water. You know there are so many properties of water. Can you smell the water? Does water have any smell? No. Can you tell me the shape of the water? No. Does water have any taste? No. Water has some color? No. Okay, so
There are different properties of water. Okay, it does not have any shape, it does not have any taste, it does not have any smell, it does not have any color.
So these are the properties of water. Kids, as you all know, water is so precious for us. Water is our basic need. So we should always save our water. We should not waste it. Okay?
Students, it's very important to save our water. There are different ways in which we can save our water. Okay, we should never let the taps run. These are some different ways in which we can save the water in our washroom. Like we should always turn off the taps while brushing, while applying shampoo or soap. Okay, we should take shorter baths and we should always turn off the tap after using it. Okay, now you can also collect and use rainwater. Okay, you can use it for various purposes like watering the plants and washing vehicles. And kids, we should never ever throw the waste into water resources because it makes the water dirty. Okay, we should never do this. Instead, we should always try to save our water, as water is very essential for us. It's our basic need. We need water to live. Okay, if there will be no water, there will be no life. Got it, kids? So we should always save our water.
Now kids, watch the video and read the chapter carefully, and I will be back in the next video. Bye bye. Have a nice day.